Hi, this is Michelle. We're going to do another easy puzzle from websudoku.com. So we're going to just click here, select puzzle, and select easy, and number 3. Go to this puzzle. Try this. Let's see. So here we have one at the top, one at the bottom, and so we can put one in any of these, but we have one here in the middle and on the right, so one must be here. So I put a one there, and then let's see, let's look here. There's one here on the left and the one on the at the bottom, so one must be here or here. So I'll put 0, 1, make a pencil mark. Okay, let's proceed. One is at the bottom here, and there's one on the right, and one on the left, and one on the right, so one must be here or here. So I'll put 0, 1 here for the pencil mark. Okay, next one. We have one here already and one here, so there's one here at the bottom and at the middle, and there's one also here at the left side, so one must be here. So if one is there, one must be here. So if one is here, then we can take this out and then make this 1, and if one is here, then we'll take this out and make this 1. Okay, so we filled out all the ones, and let's go to 2. So there's 2 at the bottom and 2 at the middle, and there's also 2 here in the center, so 2 must be here. Okay, we already have 2 here and 2 here. So 2 is here at the top, so it cannot be here. 2 is here at the middle, so it cannot be here. So it must be here or here. So I'll put a 0, 2 here as a pencil mark. Okay, let's proceed. So 2 is here at the middle or at the center, and 2 is here at the bottom. So 2 must be here, here, and here. So there are 3 possible locations, so we don't put it yet. We only put it as a pencil mark when there's only 2, when there are only 2 possible locations. Okay, so let's go to this box. So in this box, there's 2 at the left, 2 at the middle, so this must be 2. That's the only blank left. Okay, so if 2 is at the middle and at the bottom here, then 2 must be here. So I'll put 2 here and remove this 2 pencil mark and put this as 2. Okay, so we filled out all the 2's. Let's go to 3. So 3 is here at the bottom, but there are 3 possible locations of 3 here, so we don't put it yet. Let's see here. There's a 3 here, so 3 cannot be here or here. So the possible locations of 3 are here, here, and here. So there are 3 possible locations, so we don't put it yet. Next one. In this box, there's 3 at the middle. So the only possible locations of 3 are here and here. So we put 3 here as a pencil mark, and 3 here as another pencil mark. Okay, let's go to the middle box. So there's 3 at the right and 3 at the middle. So there are 3 possible locations of 3 here, so we don't put it yet. Here in this box, there are 5 possible locations because there are no 3's at the top or at the right boxes. Let's go to the next one. This box, there are 3 possible locations. And in this box, 3 is at the left side. So the only possible locations of 3 are here and here. So we put it as a pencil mark. 0, 3. Okay. What else? I think we're done. Let's proceed to 4. So there's 4 here at the right and at the middle. So the only possible location for 4 is here. So let's put it there. So now there's a 4 at the top and at the bottom. So the only locations for 4 would be here and here. So we put it as a pencil mark. 0, 4. Okay, there's already 4 here. Let's look at the next box. There's 4 at the left side and at the right side and at the middle. So 4 must be here. Okay. So there's 4 at the bottom and at the middle. So the only possible locations for 4 would be here and here. So let's put it as a pencil mark. There. Okay. So there's already 4 in this box and in this box. So 4 could not be at the top or at the bottom, so it must be somewhere here at the left or at the middle. So let's put it as a pencil mark. 0, 4, 0, 3, 4. Okay, let's proceed to 5. There's 5 here at the top and at the center. So the only possible locations of 5 will be here and here. Let's put it as a pencil mark. So next one, there's a 5 at the top and at the right. So the only possible locations of 5 will be here and here. So let's put it as a pencil mark. Okay. Here in this box, we have a 5 here. So let's see, there's 5 at the top and at the left and at the middle. So the only possible location for 5 will be here. So let's put it as 5. In this box, there's already a 5 at the top and at the bottom. There's also 5 here at the right side. So the only possible location for 5 would be here. So we put it there. And since there's 5 already here, we can delete this one, this 5. And if we delete that, this is the only possible location of 5 for this box. So we put it there. And if this is here, you cannot put 5 here, so we remove it. And then this must be the only possible location of 5. So we put it there. Okay, let's go to this box. So we have a 5 at the center and at the right. Center, right. And there's 5 also in at the middle. So this is the only possible location for 5. So let's put it there. Okay, so we're done with 5. Let's try 6. There are no 6s here, no 6 here, but there are only 2 possible locations for 6, so we put it there as a pencil mark. Okay, next one. There's a 6 here at the right side. So there are 3 possible locations, so we don't put it yet. We only put it as a pencil mark if there are only 2 possible locations. Okay, so here in this box, there's a 6 here at the middle. So you cannot put it here or here. So these are the only 2 possible locations for 6. So we put it as a pencil mark. Next. There are 3 possible locations of 6 here because there are no 6 at the horizontally and vertically, so we leave it as is. Here we have 6 here at the right side, so we cannot put 6 here. So there are 3 possible locations of 6 here, so we don't put it yet. In this box, there's a 6 at the center. Okay, 6 here. The only 2 possible locations of 6 in this box will be here and here. So if it's either here or here, so that means wherever we put the 6, that means we cannot put 6 here and here. So there are only 2 possible locations of 6 in this box, this one and this one. So we put it as a pencil mark. There. Next one. So there's a 6 here. So you cannot put it anywhere there. Anyway, there are numbers there already. There's a 6 at the bottom, so you cannot put it here. So there are 3 possible locations, so we leave it as is first. Okay, we're done. There's a 6 here and 6 here, so we go to 7. There's a 7 here, so that means we cannot put it here. There's a 7 here, so we cannot put it here. So these must be the only 2 possible locations of 7. So we put it as a pencil mark. Now in this box, there's a 7 here, so we cannot put it here. So there are 3 possible locations of 7, so we don't put it yet. In this box, there's already a 7 here. So we look here at the middle box, there's a 7 here, so we cannot put it here or here. There's a 7 here, so we cannot put it here or here. So this must be the only possible location for 7. And this is, if 7 is here, so that means we can remove this. And this must be the only possible location for 7. Okay. And if there's a 7 there, so that means we cannot put it here or here. There's a 7 here, so we cannot put it here. So this must be the only possible location for 7. And so, this must be the only possible location for 6, because there's a 6 here already. So we put this as 6. And there's already a 4 here, so you cannot put it here. So this must be a 4. Okay, what's left? We don't have a 3 here yet, so this must be where 3 should be. Okay, and if 3 is there, so that means we delete this. And so there's a 3 here, so you cannot put it here or here. There's a 3 here, so you cannot put it here. So 3 must be here. Okay. Okay, let's see. So there's a 3 here, so we cannot put a 3 here. So the only possible locations for 3 would be here and here. We can put it as a pencil mark. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. So we left off at 7. So there's a 7 here, so you cannot put it here. There's a 7 here, so you cannot put it here or here. So 7 must be here or here. There's a 7 here, so that means the only possible location for 7 will be here. And so since we deleted the 6 here as the pencil mark, 6 must be here. Okay. So if 6 is here, that means we cannot put 6 here or here. So 6 must be here. Okay. And if 6 is here at the bottom and at the top, we cannot put the 6 here or here. So 6 must be here. There's a 6 here, so you cannot put it here. There's a 6 there. There's a 6 there also, you cannot put it here. So 6 must be here or here. So we put it as a pencil mark. Okay, so where are we now? So we're now in number 7. So 7 is here, so you cannot put it here. 7 is there at the right, so you cannot put it here. So 7 must be here or here. So we put it as a pencil mark. So 7 is here, so it cannot be here. 7 is here, so it cannot be here. So 7 must be here. And since we deleted the 4 as the pencil mark, 4 must be here because there's a 4 here already. So what's left would be 9. Okay, so we put a 9 there. Okay, so if there's a 9 there, so that means cannot put a 9 here. So the 9 must be here or here. So we put it as a pencil mark. Okay. Okay, so in this box, there are 3 possible locations of 9. So we leave it as is first. Okay, so we're done with 7. 7 is here. So you can delete this already. So if 7 is there, you cannot put 7 in any of these boxes. So you can put 7 here. Okay. Here there's a 4 here, so it cannot be here, so we can put this as the final answer. So 4 there, 4 there at the middle, and 4 at the bottom. Okay. Next, let's try 8. So there's an 8 here at the middle and 8 here at the top, so you cannot put it here or here, so 8 must be here. So if 8 is there, we can put 8 either here or here, so we put it as a pencil mark. Okay, next one. So what's left here would be 8, so we put it here. Okay, 8 is here at the bottom, so you cannot put it here, so it could be either here or here. There's an 8 here at the center, so you cannot put 8 here, so that means 8 must be here. Okay, so if 8 is there, we cannot put a 3 here, so we put a 9, and this must be 3. Okay. Next, we're done with the 8s. Let's go to 9. So 9 is here, so you cannot put it here, so it must be here. Okay. 9 is here at the bottom and at the middle, so 9 must be here. If 9 is there, that means you cannot put 9 here. If 9 is at the center, so you cannot put it here, so it must be here. Okay. And the only number here left would be 3, so we put it as a 3. Okay. Next, there's already an 8 here, so we remove this. So we can put 8 here. Okay, what's left? We don't have a 3 here in this box. We put a 3 there. So what's left here would be 6. So we put a 6 here. There's a 6 here already, so we can delete this. So we can put the 6 here. What's left here? 3. We don't have a 3 here, so we put it there. There's a 6 here already, so we can delete this one. So this must be a 6. And this is a 3. Okay, so we're done. Solved it in 17 minutes and 31 seconds.